Hey gang, it's Dr. B here. So I just left CTM on campus and my computer is pretty much on the fritz at the moment and I don't have network access. So I had created a very thorough video this morning and uploaded it to Screencast-O-Matic, which would have taken it from there to YouTube, and my computer's just dunzos. So in the meantime, I'm using my phone, and I wanted to send you guys a quick video. I know several of you have questions about the WIT assignment, and before I get to that, just let me say one thing about where you are in general in this semester. So remind yourself that an online course is a lot harder than a face-to-face course. There are skills that you do in any class that are hard to learn, even in the classroom with the teacher present. The disadvantage to taking a class online is that it's very isolating and it's much of it is self-taught. And I know that's very frustrating when we're doing the things that you would be able to do in a classroom and still find challenging, and now you're doing them on your own. And learning APA citation is one of those things. So just be patient with yourselves. You will get this. Use all the resources that are available to you through As You Learn. And also, several of you have been receiving the Purdue OWL link from me. And that's PURDUEOWL. And just Google Purdue OWL APA citation and use that to help you. Now, as far as the WID assignment goes, there are no two similar WID papers. So there can be two nursing students, and one is going to write a WID paper differently than the other. One student might focus on what writing in the major and in the discipline and in the field looks like now, and what you expect your writing to look like, or where and how you'll be a writer professionally. Another one might focus on that, but then also talk about the fact that writing has changed significantly in nursing due to technology, due to patient portals, due to tablets in the nursing in the room with nurses. If you're a professional or a promotional, a PR major or a promotional writing major, a professional writing major, you might be talking about that how writing largely takes place online or in pamphlets. So if you are going to run a bed and breakfast or a ski slope, you might build a pamphlet or create a website. But you might talk about how technology has changed that, how it has created affordances that used to not exist. And as far as using links, external links, or the three resources that you need to use, those should be samples or examples of what writing looks like in your field. I don't expect you to be fully familiar with those examples as much as I expect you to have found some examples and refer to those when you make claims like, much of my writing as a PR major will take place online, or much of my work as a environmental studies major will be published in academic journals. And then show me examples of academic journals where you see this work being published. This assignment, unlike the literacy narrative that was meant to help you familiarize with where you've been as a reader and a writer, this assignment is to help you become familiar with where you are now and where you'll be heading professionally. Okay, I hope this helps. Like I said, there's no two similar papers. Just remember, I'm asking for that one paragraph justification or explanation for how you personally are achieving the goals and the objectives of this assignment. This should help you stay focused and on track. If you're having a lot of a challenge with this, that's normal. Expect yourself to be, you're out of your comfort zone. You're writing a paper you've never written before, and you're doing it in an online course. So just be patient, hang in there. Everybody's doing great. And just remember, we have many assignments and great opportunities still to help you get the grade that you're after in this class. Okay, let me know if you still have questions.